Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So there's nothing that says it's party time quite like balloons. So why not make them the star of your show with a stunning balloon garland? And this balloon garland kit that I bought was absolutely fantastic. I could not have been happier with it. So it came with 154 balloons, which was more than enough for what I needed. I probably used maybe about half, if that. So the balloons come in 4 different colors. The colors are gray, gold, nude, and sage green, and I really love the way the colors complement each other. It's a very soft, neutral color scheme. So the balloons come in 3 different sizes. So the smallest one is 5 inches, the medium one is 10 inches, and the largest one is 18 inches. So it's nice to have that variety, especially when you hang them up and you see them all together. It looks really beautiful with that variety. Now, I noticed that the quality of the balloons were superior compared to some of the other balloons I've purchased in the past. So they're a lot thicker, and I was able to blow them up to the appropriate size without having to worry about them popping. So to put your garland together, it comes with this balloon chain, which looks like this. It just has a bunch of these tiny holes in it. So after you've inflated your balloons, you just feed the knots through these holes, and that's it. It's very easy. If you wanted to fill up your garland a little bit more, make it look more thick, it also comes with a roll of balloon glue. So the garland that I made didn't take me too long to put together. It was maybe 30 to 45 minutes with the help of a pump. It was also surprisingly headache free, which was great. And best of all, it saved me a ton of money by making it myself, as opposed to what it would have cost me if I had hired someone else to make it. So I am super impressed with this balloon garland kit, and I think it adds a real wow factor to your party decor. So I would totally recommend it, and that's my point of view.